Hello, lovely YouTube family. Welcome back to Global Chaser. In today's videos, we are going to talk about this is why Bora Bora is the premier travel destination of 2021. Before we start, I would want you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Undoubtedly, the most celebrated island in the South Pacific, Bora Bora is French Polynesia's leading lady. Her beauty is unrivaled and her fame unwavering. Bora Bora is one of the few places on Earth that everyone hopes to witness in their lifetime, and once you see it, you are forever enamored. Bora Bora is the premier travel destination, and here is why. Mount Otimanu. The centerpiece of land in Bora Bora is prominently seen from any vantage point around the island. Mount Otimanu's peak is 2,385 feet and creates much of the weather patterns that the surrounding atoll experiences. Expensive resorts and overwater bungalows. Bora Bora is one of the world's premier island destinations, and it's known for expensive overwater bungalows overlooking Mount Otimanu. The island of Bora Bora is known as being a popular destination for honeymooners, and it's considered by most as a once-in-a-lifetime vacation. The unique horseshoe shape, which forms a partial atoll, is the location of many expensive and exclusive resorts like St. Regis, Four Seasons, and the Intercontinental. These resorts are known as private retreats with overwater bungalows that often include lavish interiors, their own pool, and even an open floor or window to view the marine life below. The rates to stay in a Bora Bora resort can range from $500 to $2,000 and up a night, so it's not cheap. But even though it's very expensive, many people consider the price to stay in Bora Bora well worth it. There's something magical about this little Tahitian island in the middle of the South Pacific. The ultimate honeymoon destination, it can be a significant investment to stay at the popular resorts in an overwater bungalow with a glass floor, but in our opinion, it's worth the expense if you're looking for a genuinely memorable and romantic island getaway. Thankfully, Bora Bora has something for everyone, as there are many private pensions and vacation rentals available if you're looking to save money. Cool in the sun. There are a variety of daytime activities in Bora Bora, such as swimming with sharks, fishing, parasailing, or taking a 4x4 off-road tour to explore the island and its rich history. You can also enjoy exciting adventures circling the island by jet ski or flying above it in a helicopter. Whether your stay is on a cruise ship that is passing through French Polynesia or you're residing in a thatched roof hut over the lagoon, the main town of Baytape is close by, and it's a favorite place to shop for exotic black pearls or wooden tikis local to the Society Islands. It's expensive and exclusive. Due to the distance, it's hard to travel, or at least it takes a long time to get there, and then with all the amazing and unique amenities Bora Bora offers, it becomes a honeymoon destination. The Tahitian hospitality is incredibly inviting and kind, but the island vibe is relatively quiet with no nightlife. People come to Bora Bora to escape the city life and relax at a resort spa or on white sand beaches while unwinding in the sunshine with a tropical cocktail. One of the most passive yet unique experiences includes enjoying watching the clouds form and magically disappear over Mount Otimanu, the tallest peak on the island. Food and restaurants. Many Bora Bora restaurants cater to the high-end clientele of the island, and while many of the restaurants might not have the cooking staff that represents a 5-star dining experience, they will still charge you an arm and a leg for it. After all, your options will be limited on the island. Besides the resort restaurants, most of the dining options are on the main center island, and even though you might have island cats rubbing up against your leg while you eat, you can still expect to pay upward of $100 or more for some dishes. Bora Bora also has some world-famous restaurants, including Bloody Mary's and the exclusive La Villa Mahana, that are worth checking out. It's private. Because it's expensive, it's pretty exclusive to stay at a resort on Bora Bora. Many of the resorts will feel empty sometimes, and you'll often only spot a few other guests wandering the property, and for this reason, it will be easier to travel now due to COVID-19. The rates to stay in a Bora Bora resort can range from $500 to $8,000 and up a night. The Kardashian family has been known to stay at its 2-story Conrad Bora Bora Nui Presidential Suite for $7,000 a night. Most underwater bungalow suites start at $4,000 and up a night. Typically, they'll be on the water, adorned with a lavish furnishing, plenty of entertainment, and a private pool. Oh, and don't forget the butler. It's French. No, seriously, they don't call it French Polynesia for nothing. Bora Bora is a French territory. You get to go to one of the most amazing tropical island destinations in the world and enjoy a slice of France as well. From the French restaurants to the French language, you'll be reminded quite often of Bora Bora's connection to France. The incredible colors and fantastic views are what makes Bora Bora Island so special and why it attracts visitors from all over the world. And that's all for today, folks. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any amazing videos, promise.